Have you ever wondered how chocolate is made? It all starts with the humble cacao bean, sourced from lush tropical regions. These beans undergo a process of roasting and grinding, transforming them into a rich, chocolatey paste. But that's not all. The paste is then refined and conched, creating that smooth, melt-in-your-mouth texture we all know and love. Finally, the mixture is tempered and molded into the delightful shapes we find in our chocolate boxes. Now let's dive into the delicious journey of chocolate making. Our chocolate journey starts in the tropical climates where cacao trees thrive. Here, ripe cacao pods are harvested, their precious beans extracted with great care. These beans then undergo a fermentation process, unlocking the flavors within. After fermentation, these cacao beans are sun-dried, packed, and sent on their way to become chocolate. Once the cacao beans arrive at the chocolate factory, the magic begins. The beans are carefully roasted at just the right temperature, coaxing out that rich, unmistakable chocolate flavor we all know and love. After roasting, the beans are ground down with precision and patience. This process transforms the beans into a smooth, flowing liquid known as chocolate liquor. It's a sight to behold, and a crucial step in our chocolate journey. With the creation of the chocolate liquor, we're one step closer to the final product. Now comes the art of refining and tempering. Here's where the magic truly happens, transforming the bitter chocolate liquor into the sweet treat we crave. During the refining process, sugar and other delightful ingredients are added to the mix, balancing the inherent bitterness of the cacao. Next, we dive into the world of conching. In this stage, the chocolate mixture is stirred tirelessly, smoothing out the texture and rounding off the flavors. It's a bit like a spa treatment for your chocolate, really. The final act is tempering and molding. Here, the chocolate is carefully cooled and then shaped into those familiar bars we can't resist. It's a meticulous process, but the end result is worth every second. And voila! The journey from cacao bean to chocolate bar is complete.